Wonders! Apa kabar Malaysia? Kamusta Pilipinas? Assalamualaikum to all my Muslim friends, and welcome back to Van Wonders reaction episode. And for today, we will have a reaction of our fellow YouTuber here in Malaysia, Skyrun Malaysia, of his newest video, Rawang Bypass, a magical path through nature. So I'm very excited, guys, because we know different places here in Malaysia is Rawang is number one. There's a lot of falls. Hills and hiking site that you can visit on Rawang. So this is a footage, and let's watch it together, guys. And sit back, relax, and enjoy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And of course, click the notification bell for more updated videos. Join our Wonder family. Just click the join button down below. Wow! see, guys, Malaysia is a lot of hills and mountains or hills. So anywhere you can hike, not anywhere, means it's a lot of place that you can hike, even though you are living in the city. And thank you for Skyrun sharing video like this, we can enjoy like flying. We are like flying on around Malaysia. It's very green. This is very green. And guys, this is just a portion of Malaysia. You can see the other places also like this. There's a lot of green. Wow, see the clouds is touching the mountain or kissing the mountain. Very lovely, very stunning view. Whoa. Really whoa. This is whoa. Oh my gosh. So there is the buildings and houses is surrounded by green. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much, Skyrun Malaysia, for sharing this wonderful video. And guys, I can prove you this video is really legit. I'm here in Malaysia, so we are Filipino working here in Malaysia, and I've seen a lot of places here. That's what I admire in Malaysia is, guys, it's even though we are living in a city like here in KL, you are in the city, but you are surrounded by green, or you are surrounded by hills, trees, even though there's a lot of buildings. Anywhere you can just do a hiking, like nearby Bukit Gasing. There's a lot of hiking place that we can enjoy even though we are in the city. And that is what is amazing here in Malaysia. As you can see, there's a building, there's a lot of houses, but still there's a lot of green and there's no pollution up in the air. That's what I want to really emphasize, or really want to share with you people. And as I can see, the Skyrun, how the drone flying like that, it's very clear, and very, there's a clouds, you can see everything from up there to floor. It's like we are also exploring the Rawang. And the way Skyrun do the video is really amazing. The cinematic scene on that video is really blend on that dramatic song or that he used, and it's very nice, and really another amazing drone shots for Skyrun Malaysia. And this is really great, guys. I hope you got same reaction. I hope you also amazed too, and don't hesitate to comment in the comment box down below. Don't forget our like and share, of course, subscribe and click our notification bell for more updated videos. Join our Wonder family, just click the join button down below. And guys, see you in my next video. Bye. Spread love and peace. God bless us all, and peace be with you, everyone. Bye.